Topic 2, Infection Control Part 2, focusing on nail analysis, diseases and disorders, hair analysis, disorders, scalp analysis, diseases and disorders. Let's take a look at some hints and tricks on nail diseases. Those interesting glossary terms along with the definitions. This first slide here is a list of some of the nail diseases, enough to do process of elimination when answering your multiple choice questions, focusing on this topic, starting with onychia, ending with tinea pedis. So as an example, a way that I remember this information is like looking at this word onychomycosis. I look at the word mad and I'll say, I'm mad at my ex, so we separated and fell off. You want to make a note that all these terms have to do with the nails. And also I want to add that we have a video that goes over the entire topic of nail diseases and disorders. The next two slides is glossary terms and definitions, enough to do process of elimination for the nail disorders, starting with Bowes lines, ending with nail psoriasis. And the next group of glossary terms for nail disorders is nail pterygium, ending with splinter hemorrhages. Looking at the word onychorexis, I'll say I split with my ex, or hex, a witch put a hex on me and my nails are split and brittle and now they do not grow. And onychorexis also has to do with heredity. Properties of the hair and scalp, you want to make sure that we list the glossary terms of the following: structures of the hair root, hair follicle, hair bulb, dermal papilla, the erector pili muscle, which is responsible for your goosebumps, sebaceous glands, structures of the hair shaft, the cuticle, which is the outermost layer of the hair strand, the cortex, which is the second layer of the hair strand, and medulla, which is the inner portion of the hair strand, not found in fine hair. Compositions of hair, your side bonds, your hydrogen bonds, your salt bonds, your disulfide bonds. You want to know how they're broken and how they're reformed. As an example, hydrogen bonds are broken by water or heat, and they're reformed by cooling or drying. Hair pigment, eumelanin, black to brown, pheomelanin, red to blonde. Also, I like to remember pheomelanin like Fiona from Shrek. She has red hair. And your wave pattern, knowing the formations of hair, your straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, extra curly hair, and the texture, fine, medium, and coarse. Continuing with the properties of the hair and scalp, the growth cycles, anagen, catagen, telogen, the myths and facts, types of abnormal hair loss and treatment, disorders of the hair and scalp, fungal infections, parasitic infections, and bacterial infections. Please make a note of the glossary terms of the pathogenic diseases. And I have my little skit for these pathogenic diseases. My name is Coxie. I'm round and I'm single. I wear a string of pearls, streptococcus. I carry a diamond cluster staff, staphylococcus. Plus you want to think of rotten grapes. I walk into a coffee bar named Bacilli, and I see two sexy twins and I dip out with them. Here is my wording for my pathogenic diseases. And if you're wanting more content of Infection Control Part 2, please visit Quizlet under classes COS TDLR and COS TDLR Exam Prep. Search for Ms. G at Ogle, MSG@OGLE. And Kahoot, please search hashtag TDLR Written Prep. Next topic is hair and scalp care.